In that section 6 in subsection 5, that talks about different, this section relates to different courts.
Okay.
The first one on the list there talks about the Supreme Court of Nigeria. When you say Supreme Court, that means the decision is final. Okay, we followed by an appeal court, we have the Federal High Court, we have the National Industrial Court, then we have the High Court of Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, we have the High Court of the State, we have the Sharia Court of Appeal of the Federal Capital Territory, we have the Sharia Court of Appeal of the State, we have the Customary Court of Appeal of the Federal Capital Territory, we have the Customary Court of Appeal of the State. These courts are atomized from A to G. Does it mean that from Supreme Court to Appeal Court to Federal High Court, that is strata? Is it a strata or just the way of differentiating them? There's a reason why I'm asking about strata, because there are conflicting judgments here and there. You have a judgment in High Court in Abuja, and someone will get another judgment here in Port Harcourt. It's the same High Court. Then sometimes they go to Kano to get another judgment from same High Court. Conflicting judgments here and there. Are there no strata?
Okay, well, we do have strata. Thank you. From the list that you just read out, we have what we call courts of coordinate jurisdiction and courts of superior. There are superior courts. We also have inferior courts. Like on the list now.
Let's start from the inferior court.
The inferior court, we have several inferior courts like magistrate courts, customary courts, so on and so forth.
Can you explain what is inferior? Does it mean that decision is not binding on anybody?
Their decisions are binding so
but
far.
Subject to
so yes, their decisions are binding, but they are binding on those that judgment have been passed on, insofar as those judgments have not been turned on appeal. For instance, the way we have a judicial system in Nigeria, we have appellate court system. Like I said, in this, for instance, now maybe let's say the customary court or the area courts, as it might be in the north. If that court gives a judgment and you are not satisfied, you have the right to appeal to the next court, next level. We call it seniority, we call it superior court. Okay, let us take the start, for instance, where I practice. If you have a judgment from the magistrate court, somebody is sentenced to 3 years imprisonment, doesn't mean that person might need to serve that sentence. However, the decision on that court is not final. You have the right to appeal to the next court, which is the High Court of the state. The High Court of the state may give its own judgment. If you are not satisfied with the ruling or judgment of that court, you have the right to appeal to the next court in terms of hierarchy, which is the court of appeal.